Hi there everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video on using the GoPOWER and Emboss machine using the embossing plate and silicone mats. So we're going to emboss this little folder here. I have my cardstock inside. I've got some beautiful mirror board inside, and that's inside my embossing folder. To turn the machine on and off is a center button, so I'm going to put that button on. You need your A plate and your silicone mat. Now this is quite thick and it is quite pliable, it's bendable, it is squishy, but overnight it goes back to its normal shape. So over on the A plate, we're going to place our embossing folder with our cardstock on top of the A plate, the silicone mat, and just be sure that it's right at the top there, and also your C plate, which is the thinner of the two. B plate is much more thicker. Okay, so make sure the sandwich is all nice and tidy. Press run, the motor will run, slide that through, the machine will grab the plates and will go through quite easily. Now you'll notice that the silicone mat is actually squishing into the grooves of your embossing folder, and it's going to move with your embossing folder only because the machine has got that pressure, and you always get a little bit of silicone mat coming out of it or at the top. That's normal because it is a squishy mat. It's not hard plastic, but this goes back to its normal shape. And there you have a beautiful embossed cardstock. Okay, you can use that side or that side, quite nice. Okay, so now don't forget that you can use the A5 plates with this machine. That's the fantastic idea with this machine, that it takes your A5 plates. So using the plates that you use on your normal manual die cutting machine, I have the A2Bs, an embossing mat and some cardstock inside my embossing folder. Placing A and B plate down, this embossing folder on top, silicone mat and another B plate. Press run, the machine will grab it, and as you can see, that silicone mat is also squishing into the grooves of that embossing folder. The machine will turn itself off once the plates have gone through. See how it's all squashed through? That's normal, that happens all the time because this is a squishy mat. Okay, and this is an electric machine. It's different from your manual machines. Okay, and that's beautifully embossed as well. Okay, that's just a rundown on embossing folders with the GoPOWER and Emboss machine.